Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jahnavi and you're watching Study with Jahnavi channel. So today I'm going to show you how can you change your YouTube channel name. So first of all, go for your YouTube studio and you can just see your dashboard like this. So as I have said, if you wanted to change your channel name, it is very easy to change. For that, you just scroll down and here you can find out the customization option. I'll just zoom it for a clear reference. Just click on customization. After clicking on customization, you can just see the channel customization page of your YouTube channel. Okay, these are the basic informations and here you can just see the basic info option. Just click on basic info option and now here you can find channel name and description of your YouTube channel. So and you can find out the pencil icon right there, right? I'm just zooming it. Just click on that particular pencil icon and now you can change your channel name very easily. So before my channel name was Study with Janu and now I just wanted to update it as Study with Janu and Vlogs. So I'm just giving first name as Study with Janu and the last name is and Vlogs. So Study with Janu and Vlogs. So this is how I'm just going to give my channel name. After giving your channel name, you can also edit your description of your YouTube channel. So the description is nothing but what you are going to upload. That means what the type of content that you are going to update in your YouTube channel. So according to that type of content, you just give a brief description of your channel. For an example, if you're going to give the educational type of contents and vlogs type of contents, these type of all contents will be included in our channel, so that give it a brief description in this. And now click on publish and it is changed. Okay, the changes are being published and now I'm just going to click on view channel so that I can just see it is updated or not, and it is finally updated. You can just see here channel is changed as Study with Janu and Vlogs. And hope it is helpful. It is easy, I think. If you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you again. Bye bye.